Hey, what's up? My name is AJ, and today we're doing a quick tutorial of how to lock your screen on your MacBook Air. When I first got my MacBook, and when I locked the screen or tried to lock the screen by shutting the top, it didn't lock immediately, which I wanted it to do. It had like a minute delay on it or something like that. So after playing around with the settings, I found how to do it, and I'm here to show you guys. So in the left top hand corner, you will click System Settings. And then after that comes up, you'll go scroll down to Lock Screen. And then what you want to find is the required password after screensaver. And you have all these selections. I want to hit it immediately. So that means when you close it, it will lock immediately. And that should be that should do the trick. I hope that helps you, and please subscribe and like this channel.